Okay, here's the first question. It's a time around the world globe time question. Karen is in Athens, which is 2 hours ahead of the coordinated universal time, and Marco is in New York, which is 5 hours behind. Karen is going to ring Marco at 10 p.m. on Tuesday, Athens time. What time and day will it be in New York? Now, I always like to set these up in a like a number line almost. That's what it is. Here's UTC, or the Grand Meridian, or 0. Athens is 2 ahead. So this is like +2, and New York is 5 behind. So here you've got +2, here you've got 5 behind. And we know that it is 10 p.m. on Tuesday. That's 10 o'clock in the night time. So in London, or at this UTC, Grand Meridian, Greenwich Mean Time, it's UTC now, but in London, or 0, if it's 10 p.m. here, it would be 8 here. And then 5 before that, it's just like a number line. If we're going this way, we're minusing. So we're really minusing 7. So it's going to be 3 p.m. There he is. It's a 7-hour difference. And this is minus. So if it is 10 p.m. here, it is less here because it's on the number line. This is a higher number. This is a smaller number. And that's the way I like to set them up, just in this number line. I think makes sense to me. It doesn't matter about north and south, how far north and south something is, like Sydney and, say, Tokyo, where Sydney is down here and Tokyo is up on the northern hemisphere. They're almost in line. So they would have the same time, like Sydney and Brisbane. They have the same time, but Sydney and Perth don't. But yeah, that's the way I like setting them up. Here's the second question. Marco is going to fly from New York to Athens. So now his flight will leave Wednesday at 9 a.m. New York time, and will take 11 hours. So what time and day does he get into Athens? So it's going to take 11 hours, but there's also this 7 hours of difference. So Wednesday, we're going to add the flight time. So if it starts at 9 a.m. here and we add 11 hours, because that's how long it's going to take, that's going to be 9 plus 11 is going to be 20. But we've also got to add the 7 hours of the time difference. So I've done it slightly differently here. I've added these together. Okay, there's 11 hours flight time plus 7 hours difference. So that's 18 hours altogether. So if we add 12 hours, that's going to be from 9 a.m. Add 12 hours, that's going to get to 9 p.m. And I've actually got 6 more hours, haven't I? Because this is 18 altogether. So I'm going to add another 6 hours to this, and it's going to be like 3 a.m., but it's going to be 3 a.m. on a Thursday. So I've done that slightly, and there's lots of different ways you can do them. I was thinking that I would have done it a different way to that. But again, I've added, well, you've got the flight time. To fly from here to here is 11 hours, plus it's 7 hours earlier already. So you've got to add that 7 hours as well. Why do we add? Because to get from here to here, we would add normally on the number line. So I always set it up as a number line. I think it sort of makes sense. So it's 18 hours altogether. So 9 p.m., that's 12 hours. Add another 6 hours. It's going to be 3 a.m. and it's on a Thursday. Okay.